This is the third campus community town hall in what is now known as the Social Justice in America series. These town halls began after the murder of Mike Brown and corresponding civil protests that rocked Ferguson, Missouri, and the nation in the fall of 2014. I, like many other people across the country, was both outraged and heartbroken as I saw yet another Black life taken by police, shot down in the streets and left in the sun for hours as if he mattered less than someone's pet dog. As marches, teach-ins, and shutdowns swept across the United States and college campuses, I was struck by the eerie silence in Bloomington. I knew that many of our students and our community members were as anxious and angry as I was about what was happening, and that there needed to be some kind of dialogue about policing and incarceration, and the simple fact that Black lives matter here on campus and in our larger community. Had I known what I was getting into, I likely would have never sent that first email or made that first phone call. But my mother always said that you should never make me angry. I was at that time, and I remain, the chair of the diversity committee of the Department of History. We normally organize small discussion events, brown bags, etc., inside of our department. I had a wonderful committee that year, along with Kaya Sain and Michelle Moy, two wonderful colleagues in the department. They had absolutely no idea what a wild ride they were in for that year. I called up my friend Jelani Cobb, and I asked him if he would come to IU to speak to us about Ferguson, since he had been reporting on events there from on the ground. And he agreed. Now I just had to find the money to get him here, along with a room and all the other logistics that go along with planning such an event, which I had never done in my life. To make a very long story short, our diversity committee, along with a wonderful history graduate student named Stephanie Wezo, Stephanie, I hope you're watching online, wherever you are, pulled together what would become the very first SJAS town hall event in a matter of weeks in the spring of 2015. We literally went knocking door to door and raised money from 23 different organizations,